There has been recently a study which has been published, which is called as Access to Nutrition Initiative, and this is publishing a global index which talks about the food quality. Now, the scale has been rated from 1 to 5, 5 being best score and very healthy for human beings. 3 and above scored are considered as healthy. Now, this study included the products which are sold mainly by companies like Nestle, PepsiCo, then you have Unilever as some of the companies which are selling their products across the globe. And it was identified that these companies which are selling their products have two different products, one for the developed nations, the other for the developing nations. And the products that were sold in the developed nations were rated higher on the global index in contrast to the developing nations where the products were sold. So in the developing nations, the index was somewhere at around 1.8. However, in the developed nation, the average was around 2.3, but many products were seen at a score of around 3.5 and above, which were considered as good on a health rating system. Now, there have been various studies recently which have been published by ATNI, and that talks about increasing cases of obesity in the world. And World Bank has estimated that 70% of the population living in low and medium income countries is getting obese, and that is because of the packed foods which is being provided, which are being compromised on health qualities and health scores. So the basic idea of this report was that the food and beverages being sold in the low income countries are actually less healthy than being sold in a high income country. Now, how do you understand that? How we can actually bring this into your answer writing? So any question focusing on social disparity, north south divide, talking about regional disparities, we can highlight this issue. We can bring this as a case study, indicating that yes, there has been differences and disparities globally, where there has been a significant figure which we have seen even in the food which is being provided to the developed nations versus the developing nations. So this case study in itself brings out many parameters that are really important for us to understand under case study and answer writing. We'll be discussing many such interesting case studies for your GS. Stay tuned, please subscribe.